Wow, I found Lubbock's first elevator with center opening 2-speed doors. This is amazing. Wow. This is so amazing. It was modernized. I believe this is at chemical engineering here at Texas Tech. Smells like sport clips in here. Let's take one more ride. This is a super amazing. This should be at chemical engineering. I'm gonna look for more elevators in this building. This is a Frassenger elevator. It was modded, but still. Lubbock's first elevator with center opening 2-speed doors. Never thought I'd ever find one here. 8,000 pound capacity. That's so awesome. That's a really cool sounding motor too. Get off here. That's it.